Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a June read for you. Let's see Libra, what energies are coming towards you in June, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and simply leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now for the month of June so that they can use it to their highest advantage. Thank you. So Libra, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you so much for being here once again with me. And if you're new here Libra, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to our channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Libra, let's see what's coming up. Leave these closed. And one secret message from the universe. All right. Oh, Libra, King of Wands, bottom of my deck. So somebody's passions have going to be ignited, it seems, in the month of June. So right now, currently, from what I see, Libra, you seem to be planning something. You seem to be at crossroads. Maybe in the recent past, there was an epiphany or something which you realized, this is my happiness. And maybe you're planning towards that. I don't know, because this is in the recent past where you seem to have got something which makes you very, very happy. And right now, I think you haven't taken a move, you haven't made a move towards it. You could be in contemplation right now, thinking of how to bring justice to this equation. And in June, Libra, I do see your card. Right? This is the Libra card. And this is your June card, Libra. Justice is there for you. So let's see what's happening here. Why is Libra in the Two of Wands energy spirit currently? Two of Wands for Libra. You're contemplating your future, Libra. You're contemplating your future. You're trying to see what is in my future now. Maybe you're healing from something, or I think you want to bring balance into something. But planning this or thinking about it is actually giving you a lot of sleepless nights. There's a lot of stress and worry regarding this. I don't know what you're so worried about. Look at you, planning, thinking, not moving, but kind of looking at your future and saying, what else is out there? You want to bring some kind of balance or healing back into your life. And I see you not sleeping at night, sitting up all night and thinking and worrying about bringing this thing together. I don't know what this is for you, Libra. I'm going to fish and find out. So what was this in the recent past, Spirit? What was this? The Sun card? The Sun card. What was this in the recent past? What made them this happy and this stressed all at the same time? Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Why, Spirit? Why? Spirit says you got a second chance at something, Libra, which made you really, really, really happy. And you really thought things are going to go your way, but there was a sudden ending which made you very sad and very depressed. Look at this. So happy, second chance, hoping that things were going to go really smoothly. And then comes the sudden ending or a death or to a situation. And here you are grieving and maybe there's an actual death, I don't know, but this could be a death to anything, a job, a relationship, something that gave you a lot of happiness came to an end. And here you are in deep, this is your past energy, but Libra, this is what could have happened in your recent past. So something, there was some shocking news or something which kind of transformed your life. And when you look back, you grieve and you feel bad about the way things didn't work out. But here you are, now you are, I think, moving out of regret, but now in that in-between place where you start to think now as to, you haven't moved yet from what I see, still in contemplation, but you are trying to now look towards the future. But that also is giving you a lot of worry. Why is that, Spirit? Why is my Libra not sleeping? There could have been some kind of a conflict here, Libra, with something. Maybe this is from somebody from your past. There could have been a fight or a conflict. You do want to take action towards whatever this is. You want to have this passionate new beginning. But because of this conflict, I think all you're doing is maybe gathering information, or if this is work, then you could be studying towards getting a new position or something. I don't know if this is a person, then you could be watching this person because you guys have had a fight, but you seem to be wanting to move towards this thing, but right now just spying and waiting, even though heart of hearts, this is what you want. If you had your way, you would just rush towards this thing and claim it back, right? So justice is coming though in June. What's the spirit? What's the justice card in June now for Libra? Justice. Justice. Something that came to an end, Libra. There was either some kind of a betrayal or an ending to something, where I think after that you probably went silent and maybe didn't say anything, or maybe the other person didn't. The same thing that you've been in so much of stress and tension about, you want to bring some kind of balance to it, or maybe some balance is coming, because suddenly out of the blue, Libra, once I tell you what I'm going to say, Libra, I want all of you to give me one thumbs up. This is what you're heading towards. Wish fulfillment and the 10 of Cups. Still a lot of worry, still a lot of stress as to how to bring that justice, how to bring that balance, because things have really ended here, Libra. But the good part is, after this kind of an ending has to happen a brand new beginning. Like after 10 swords, there is no 11th. It has to re-begin with the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles. So you will be starting new. And I think that is what is coming for you in the month of June. Justice is coming. Maybe you're listening to your intuition now, which is guiding you and taking you towards finding some kind of justice or balance or some emotional happiness now. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for Libra to be... what is Libra holding on to? Oh, you're holding on to something getting away from your life. Either you walked away from something, Libra, or somebody walked away from you. So that is still on your mind and you're still holding on to that. Maybe being a bit defensive, or maybe somebody else is being defensive. I don't know, you're holding on to this fear maybe because, maybe somebody else walked away and became single and abundant and beautiful. I don't know. You're still kind of afraid. It's almost like this person is guarding themselves and afraid to fight for this one more time. So Spirit is saying, if you're holding on to this kind of, fear or holding back, I think it's time to let it go. So what should Libra let go of, Spirit? Yes, let go of lying. You're only lying to yourself by the end of it, Libra. If there was any kind of lying, cheating, not telling the truth, hiding maybe your feelings or anything like that, Spirit is saying it's time to let that kind of behavior go, because that's what leads to most problems in life, right? So why should Libra let go of the 7 of Swords energy, Spirit? Why should Libra? Because it's time to let go of this kind of behavior, because this is what the universe is bringing for you now. The happiest card in the deck, which is the Sun card and victory. So you don't have to hide or run away or do anything anymore. Spirit saying all that was in the last cycle. This was the 10 of Swords is already here. It's ended. The way of being has ended, Libra. This is a brand new beginning, and it's coming to you with all your wishes come true from what I can see. You have the Star card, you have the 10 of Cups with the 6 of Wands, with the Sun. This is all coming in June. But you have to allow it, right? You have to take that blindfold off now and get out of your head. Remove these swords from around you. because they are only in your mind now. This is already ended. It's over. It's time for a new beginning now. So what's going to be Libra's biggest blockage, Spirit? Nine of Cups. Why is that a blockage, Spirit? Oh, I get it. If you've been saying, I have my 9 cups and I'm happy with that, I don't need anything else, I'm happy by myself, you have to be honest, Libra. Forget anyone else. I think you have to be honest with yourself. Are you truly happy being alone and being defensive? This can become a blockage if you stick to this. This is the 7 of Swords. You're lying to yourself. I don't think even an animal likes to be not without a partner. If you've been saying 9 of Cups, I'm happy and this is the way I like things, I don't want my last cup, which is available for you. Spirit wants to give you the 10th cup as well. Right? But if you continue to say, I don't want it, Spirit is saying this will become a blockage. So you have to be at least honest with yourself. But this could be your cross watcher, I don't know. So take it as it comes. What else, Spirit? What else can become a blockage for Libra in June? What do they have to know? See, oh my God. I was just talking about the aces, wasn't I? You have the Ace of Wands. You have the Ace of Swords. And now you have the Ace of Pentacles. The only ace left for you, Libra, is the Ace of Cups, which I think you are not going towards, because that's your blockage. You're not allowing that one special cup to join these 9 cups so it can become the 10 of Cups. You're blocking out your own next card, which should be the Ace of Cups. I love the way Spirit explains them. Oof. Okay, so how do people see my Libra now in June, Spirit? 10 of Pentacles. They see you in a very, very, very good place. So maybe you are kind of going to be listening to this reading and not being that defensive. Ooh. Why is that, Spirit? Why do people see Libra like this? One more. One more. One more. Wow, Libra. Somebody from your past is returning to your life, it seems here. Somebody from your past is returning. People, if all goes well, Libra, touch wood, with all these energies that are around you, and if you don't make this a blockage in your life and allow these new happenings to happen, people will be seeing you as the most fulfilled person on earth, with the 10 of Pentacles, starting new, right? And maybe charging or moving obsessively towards your partner who you know is your 2 of Cups. This is like, somebody is rushing obsessively and moving towards their person, or your person could be moving towards you. But no, it's just not for passion. This is not just toxic, bad behavior like a devil would be. This is like somebody who just can't stay away from you, or vice versa, because you want to have this fresh new beginning now, or you're getting it, and this is your 2 of Cups. And people are seeing you totally happy, satisfied with your 10 of Cups. Sorry, 10 of Cups is here as well. Oh God, what's happening, Libra? 10 of Cups and the 10 of Pentacles. This is how people will be seeing you in June. Please, 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 I request you, don't make this a blockage. Don't not allow yourself to experience the 10 of Cups. You've reached the 9 of Cups. You're single, you're abundant, you're doing well. But somewhere you tell yourself that you're happy just like this. Okay? So, what's Spirit's secret message for you, Libra? The Knight of Cups. Oh God, Spirit has a sense of humor. Now, Spirit's secret message for you, Libra, is to say that 1 cup has either to be taken, Libra, or has to be accepted. These are orders. I'm sorry. These are the universe's orders. This one cup is missing from your life, which you have to either take or receive. Why is the Knight of Cups your secret message for Libra, Spirit? Why is the Knight of Cups your secret message for Libra? Yes, Spirit is saying we are tired. We are exhausted because this person refuses to move. They've been standing at crossroads for so long that we are only getting exhausted now. I mean, 10 of Wands is also here. All the 10s, Libra, you have today on my table right now. 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Swords, 10 of Cups, and the 10 of Wands. The only one main card missing, Libra, is the one that you are rejecting, the Ace of Cups. Which Spirit is now urging you, here, we're giving it to you in your hand, go take it. Or if somebody is bringing it to you, please accept it. That's the only one thing missing from your life now. So what else, Spirit? A secret message for Libra? Secret message for Libra? Yes, Spirit is saying you need to balance out your life. It's very imbalanced at the moment because there's something very, very vital missing from your life. And what can I say? So, okay, let's take Libra just for fun. I'm going to take 3 cards for your work life, work, money, abundance, and 3 cards for your love life. So, Spirit, for Libra, work, money, abundance. Again, another 10. What's happening here? Money, work, abundance. Just give me a second, sweet. 1 second. All right. So, we have the 10 of Cups, transformation, King of Cups, and the Page of Swords. Okay, so this came out in this order. Yes, you probably are doing pretty well, Libra, or all your wishes are going to happen. Maybe your home and hearth is quite safe at the moment. I don't see any problems there. I mean, there's a lot of abundance where you are, but a huge transformation is due now. I feel you need to gather some more information regarding it. For this transformation to happen, you may need to gather some more information regarding it, or wait and watch for a little while. Okay? Don't put all your cards on the table. Even if you know something is good, don't keep some things hidden, I would say. Like a King of Cups, usually a very loving king, but this king doesn't show all his cards. He has a cup of love in one hand, he has a bow and arrow in the other. So always prepared. That's the message that's coming to me. Tell Libra that they can trust, yes, everything is going good for them, but to always be prepared and look over your shoulder. There could be people around you who, have ulterior motives. So just be prepared with that little bow and arrow. I mean, not literally, but keep your antenna up. Keep your sword ready. Keep looking over your shoulder so nobody cheats you. Okay? So let's take 3 cards for love now. For Libra's love life, Spirit, 3 cards. 3 cards. One more. Let's take one more. Okay. What's this Magician, Spirit? What's this Magician for Libra's love life? You're still holding back, Libra, from what I see. You have been holding back. You are holding back. You are trying to manifest something without moving, and that's maybe there's been a disruption. Yes, you've had some kind of a tower moment, I think, in your love life, but you will be, I think, now trying to solve that and move to kind of make things right. Queen of Swords, Spirit, Queen of Swords, and the 9 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles, What's this Nine of Pentacles? All right. See, this is the same message again. So yes, there's been some kind of a tower moment where you guys maybe had a fight or something. Things will move to a calmer place. Yes, there could be a bit of resistance to have a brand new cycle or a new chapter again. This time you'll have to put in some work, Libra, or your person will have to. I don't know. There is a new beginning which is available, but Spirit says this time you'll have to put in a little bit of work. If there is somebody around you, if you are this single, abundant, beautiful person, then this Knight of Cups is arriving. This came out in the other spread as well, where it was Spirit's secret message, right? This person is arriving, or this could be you going towards this single person this person is also in the Nine of Pentacles energy. They also really don't need anyone, but Spirit is saying no, there is a want to balance out your life, right? So this Knight of Cups is very important for Libra in June. Ace of Cups still hasn't shown up, okay, but Spirit is time and time again giving this cup right in your hand and saying go, just go. All right, so that's all I have for you, Libra. Hope it worked for you. And before I end the reading, I'm going to take out one blessing from Lord Ganesha. Let's see how Lord Ganesha is going to help you or bless you for June. Lord Ganesha for Libra, please. Harmony. Yes, some harmony has to be maintained now, Libra. Otherwise, things will get totally out of balance. You need to bring some peace, some harmony back to or into your life after you face some tower moments. It's time to bring back harmony. Okay? So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.